Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this is the new video. If you read this video you might have guessed what I'm going to do, but if you don't, let's just take it slowly. First thing I would do is to open Google Chrome as usual. Just see what I'm going to do here. Okay, let's wait. Okay, welcome to my browser. I applied the dark mode here. First thing is, make sure you're not connected to the internet. Look at this. See, I'm not connected at any Wi-Fi or internet. If you want to activate airplane mode, that would be a better choice. This will make things more fun. Now let's just type any random phrase and enter search. Now you're already familiar with this game. With this dinosaur here, this game, you just press spacebar and start playing like this. And the dinosaur wall, we just need to avoid this cactus. Make sure I won't stop and then just press the spacebar and keep playing. Make sure I can avoid these cactuses so I'm not going to die and the game will stop. Let's see how much I will get. How much the score I will get. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's a game over already. I shouldn't talk. This is what Google Chrome have, right? But this is not what I'm going to show you. What I'm going to show you is the makers of each one. They also have game. It's not only Google Chrome has it. So let's do the same and type random alphabet here. Click enter and search. See, you're not connected and want to play a game while you wait. This is where the fun begins. I will just click launch the game. You can looks like an old game, but what makes it fun, you can choose several characters here. I will just choose this one. The one that I've been familiar with. Use this arrow to select a server and spacebar to start surfing. I'm just gonna click spacebar and let the fun begins. So your job is to control this server. To control the server so it won't crash anything. Just surfing smoothly, no rock, mischievous island. I hit another rock. See, I'm not a pro at this. So if I crash anything once more, the game will over and I'm gonna dead. Let's see. I don't have any more heart. I don't have any more life left here, so I should start over. Just press spacebar, keep this one, and yeah, play again. Oh, why it's so hard now? Is it because I'm talking? And the fun thing is they will also put another server, like you're not alone, you're not doing this alone, as if you play with others, even if it's just image or what, I don't know, Cortana maybe. Make sure you don't crash anything. Oh my. Yeah, this is how it ends. When you lost 3 hearts, means the game is over and you're dead. And you can start over again by pressing spacebar. And yeah, that's my best 1101 meter. This is what I want to show you, that Microsoft Edge also have game like this. Not only Google Chrome, maybe you can try this when you're bored or the internet is lost. Thank you guys for watching. This is the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!